Welcome friends to this video. Today I will share with you how to find Suno AI promo codes. So guys, go to Google and search for Suno AI. Click on the Suno AI codes promo. As you can see here guys, click the first two result. This website guys called Scrabon. You have deals and discounts for Suno AI. To get discounts, just click get deals and then copy your discounts. This is the first website. You can save up to 20%. You can get best deal from here. And the second website, guys, it's with Rift. It is also a good website to have offers, discounts, and promo codes. You can show this copy, just copy, and can use for your premium membership when you get pay, when you will upgrade your membership. So guys, just click copy, or you can add this extension on your Google Chrome and you have save your time and your money. So guys, this is how you can use. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment.